Take a light pink pipe cleaner and cut it into 4 cm pieces. Repeat to make 32 pieces of the same length. Fold each piece in half to create 32 petals. Apply glue to the top of a floral stem. Take 3 light pink pipe cleaners and wrap them into a small ball at the top of the stem. Apply glue on top and attach 1 petal at the center. Add a ring of glue beneath it and attach 5 petals around. Continue this process, layer by layer, until all petals are attached. Finally, wrap a few loose turns of light green floral tape near the top and gently push upward. Wrap the lower part more tightly and cover the entire stem.